Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps here, and here you're looking for Amazon Alexa app. So or just you just click on it here. So or just click on search here. Then here at Amazon Alexa app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. You search here for Amazon Alexa. It's going to show for you like this. You'll find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.